In this video, I'll share my experience with YouTube's test and compare feature for thumbnail A/B testing. As a small channel with just 66 subscribers at the time of this video, I faced some challenges, including a 2-week wait for test results and difficulties uploading thumbnails directly from a folder. Let's jump right in. So here we are on the YouTube studio. I just uploaded this video right here, and here's the spot where you can upload your thumbnail, right? So it did only give you these two options, right? But now you have the test and compare. So I have 3 pictures I'm going to upload right now, and then I'm going to show you what you can and cannot do. So we have this screen here, right? So these 3 thumbnails are in this folder right here. I did upload this from Canva, but here's the thing. You cannot just take these, as in you're going to click in here. You cannot just scroll and put these in there. It's going to say file is corrupted, right? So let me do that again. So I'm going to take one and I'm going to try and bring it in there. File is corrupted. Let me try and do this one. File is corrupted. So for some people out there, they're like, hey, you can't do it on that screen. So I'm going to come in again and I'm going to do the exact same thing. So come here. It's not going to work. So what you have to do is you have to unzip it, right? So if you guys look, this is a compressed zip file right here. So if you guys look, compressed zipped folder. So what you're gonna have to do, I already did it right here, but you're gonna come in and you're gonna go to extract all. So if you are working with somebody who makes your thumbnails, this is what you're gonna have to do. So you're gonna, actually, I'm just gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna do it again, extract all, and then you're gonna choose where you want. For me, I just put mine to the downloads, and then you're gonna go to select folder, and you're gonna go to extract. Since I already did it, it's gonna bring this up, but I'll just press that. Replace the files. Cool. So now you have the exact same thing, right? As in you have these were in that folder, but now they're out. So that's all you have to do. So now you can add these from the actual button, or you can drag these in. Let me get that back up. So I can take this one. I can be like, okay, that one. So let's just say if you weren't like super organized, you didn't have a folder, you were taking them out, and you're like, okay, I want this one, boom, right? But I do have them somewhat organized. I'm gonna come in there, and then we're going to use the other one. Boom, whoops, sheesh. And we're gonna take that one, and we're gonna do this. So on these, not too fancy. I didn't do anything crazy. So I just put like the picture, and a picture. And this one is a bit different. It's on the opposite side. And with this one, I just have an arrow. So let's see how these do. And I will put on screen how long this took to A/B test. So I'm going to press done. And then you're going to go to save. And as you can see, it's doing its job right here. And I'm going to go, oh, ineligible. What does that mean? Because your video is not public. Oh, interesting. And again, this is my first time doing this, so I'm gonna put this to public, and I want to see what happens. Let's go to done, and of course, make sure you have all your end screens, cards, and all this stuff done, right? So I'm gonna press public, and let's see what happens. Public, and again, I will get back to you on the results. I do wonder, it's testing. Let's see what we got. View test report. It's running. I'm gonna come back in about a half an hour and let's see what happens. Here we are back again on the YouTube studio. So it's been almost an hour. So we're going to check and we're gonna see what we got here. So we're gonna scroll down here. We're gonna go to view test report, and we're just gonna come up here. Not enough information to display data. So the time, 13 days. What does this mean? The test can take up to 2 weeks, Please check back to see which thumbnail performs the best. Huh, that's very interesting. So I'm thinking because I am a small channel, it's going to take a lot longer. So if we come back here, if you guys can see how many subs I have. So I have only 62 subs. So if you're a huge channel that everybody watches a lot of your content, you guys, I'm sure it's going to be a lot more. Right here, I actually went on my phone to see if I can change out the thumbnail, and it actually won't let me. So I'm in my YouTube studio right here. If you guys look, if you come in there and you go to edit on your video and then go to the top left, you're going to be like, okay, a thumbnail test is running. And then it's going to say you have to go back to your desktop, which is interesting. So you cannot alter the A/B testing on your phone as of right now. All right, so it has been 9 days from the last time I recorded. So we are in the YouTube studio. So I'm going to press refresh here, make sure everything's current. So now I'm going to go over to where the video is, and we're going to hop into the results, right? So we're going to come in here, details, and it's still running, right? So I'm just going to see what it did. But not enough information to display data. Please check back later. Huh, that's interesting, guys. This is a long time if you want your stuff to, post and have them linked and all kinds of stuff. Guys, it's a long time. So far, I can't see anything, so I will actually come back and the test will run for a maximum of 2 weeks, but in sooner depending on the number of impressions or if there's a clear winner. I do wonder how long a channel with like 150,000 subs, takes, how long this takes for all the thumbnails and all that kind of stuff, because you do have an option to do stop and set and all that kind of stuff, but I'm not going to do that in this video here because I want to see, what exactly it does. Guys, it has been 14 days. So if we look at the actual one we were looking at, experimenting with audio, cool, right? So let's hop into this. So we're going to go over to the details and let's come down to the thumbnail. So as you can see, the test has finished. So that's pretty cool. So we're going to click these 3 dots and we're going to go to view test report. Let's see what we got here. The test finished without a conclusive result. Bruh. Now be viewable to all viewers. So actually in vidIQ's video for this A/B testing, I'll put those links down below, but he says YouTube determines the winning thumbnail based on watch time rather than click-through rate. So if you guys look over here, he also says YouTube will actually set the thumbnail that won for the main thumbnail for the actual video. So I'm gonna assume this one won, but you do have an option to set, right? So let's see what this is. So how is this the winning thumbnail? The winning thumbnail generated the highest share of a video's watch time. Okay, cool. If you want to read that, awesome. I do wonder, as a smaller creator as well, watch, I'm going to show you. I have only 66 subs. So do you think this is going to help out a bit? I think yes, because again, if you got people browsing your stuff, people decide to actually click and watch your content from your thumbnail and your title. So I would do as much research. I am going to put a link down below as well as what I actually found as, I would say, probably the ultimate video when it comes to thumbnails, you guys. She's hilarious. She's done her homework. And you guys, it makes sense. Make sure to watch this video right here. It's going to help you a little bit more with titles and thumbnails, how I use AI to use it, and as well on your YouTube journey. Have a great day.